everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin ito ng reaction video. Itong Sini featuring Beanie Stacy and at the same time, the king of ballad, should I say, which is a JR. So I won't take any longer. I'm really excited to watch this one kasi kanina lang to sinadjust sa akin. And gustong-gusto ko na siyang gawa ng reaction video kasi most of the time na gumagawa ako ng reaction video, nandyan sina Maloy, andyan sina Sheena, ang ganda ng storyline. So, titignan natin kung what you call this, what Beanie Stacy has to offer in this one, in this, what do you call this, music video na sining. And if I'm not mistaken, narinig ko na rin yung sining na kanta ang pagkakaalam ko. So, yeah, without further ado, let's all watch this. Ay, under Vivo siya. Dear, under Vivo siya. So, may kasi magagamit talaga tayo ng overlay nito.
No pangatsaro, multaking asupatam, otonim mawalad.
Oh,
Flowers not a flower until they bloom. Like my first time living life that day.
si JR.
Hate to think that you must have to die someday. 1,000 years.
Oh, wait, sino kumanta nito? Wait, akala ko narinig ko na to. Di ba sikat to sa TikTok ngayon? Itong sino? Pagkakaalam ko sikat to ngayon sa TikTok eh. Pero, hindi ko kalain na ito yung introduction and yung kumanta na JR na bakit pa ba? Ito talaga yung problema pag gumagawa ka ng reaction video na hindi ka nag-research kasi usually ganyan ako eh. Gusto ko on the spot talaga para may pakita ko talaga ang genuine na reaction ko dito sa akin channel. So basically, hindi ko talaga sure kung si JR pa talaga yung kumanta ng bakit pa ba? Itong dito kasama ni Stacy. Hindi ako sure. Wait, ang ganda ng execution.
First time living life that day.
Ganda oh. Emotion.
Hate to think that you must have to die someday. 1,000 years won't do for knowing that we're fell in love. Even though I'm scared to love, baby, I know the pain is unbearable. There's no way. Pinsala ikinamada, pinipining may sanamada.
Yes! Yes, ito yun. Akala kong title sa lamang ka. Tingin, the acting skills of Stacy, please. Ay! So, siya si JR. Siya si JR. Hindi pala siya yung JR na, oh my God, mali ako, sorry. This reaction video is disaster. God. Okay, I have to be honest with you. I have to be honest with you talaga. Ginawa ko siya ng reaction video because of Beanie Stacy, not because of the song. To be honest with you, totoo lang. But, the song is really giving. Oh my God, this is the type of song na gusto ko talaga. Yung ganitong genre na may pagkabalad siya, tapos yung rhythm niya, the tone of the tone of the mellow of the song, should I say, is very orgasmic. Very sexy time. Diba? Ang ganda lang. Anyways, ibabalik ko sa from the top. Okay.
Pangatsaro, multaking asupatam, otonim
Anong dialect yan?
Flowers not a flower until they bloom. Like my first time living life that day I met you.
Okay.
Hate to think that you must have to die someday. 1,000 years won't do for
Ooh.
knowing that we fell in love.
Love
Even though I'm
vibe.
scared to love, baby, I know the pain is unbearable. There's no way.
I love this.
Ay,
Sorry, ngayon ko lang napansin. Nag-dirty finger pala siya dun. Ah. Kasi hindi ka nagkukubad. So this is Beanie Stacy. Ganda ng boses. Akala ko talaga si JR. Mali. JR na. JR na! JR na! So, sino pumunta sa first part? Si JR to eh. Pumunta ng bakit pa ba? Siya to. Siya talaga to. Hindi ako magkakamali. Oo nga. Ano ba? Gulo-gulo ako sa buhay. Ah, love this.
Hindi ka papanaw hanggang huling araw. Maging kabilang buhay ikaw ay ikaw. No wonder I fell in love, even though I'm scared of love. Kaibigan, no,
Ang ganda ng kanta ha.
there's no way. Sana ikan naman. Pinipiling may salamang ka.
First time ko ito marinig yung full na kanta. Oh, love that. Oh, ito na siya. I love the song. Oh my goodness gracious. She is so pretty indeed. She is so pretty indeed. Plus the color grading na ginamit nila dito. May pagka-goldish siya. I love that. I love the song, in fairness. In fairness to the song, I love it. Ay, basically, asawa niya before, right? Oh, yes. Siya pala si JR. Sorry. Yun na yun. Nabitin ako Charis, ay naging matanda doon sa Stacy. In fairness, ang ganda ng kanta, ang ganda din ng boses. Alright, there you go guys. It is our for today's video, which is Janela's singing official music video featuring JR and of course, Beanie Stacy. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next